How Portuguese sounds to a non-Portuguese speaker. Ever wondered what your language might sound like to someone who's never spoken it before? Let's dive in and see. Trovão Belmir frequês del traxão vit canel sotric belten forvik montalek vel hat groten zormik plastron trensal voltrax sormin dorvek ontelbren vax stral telmen dralvik sondrak zolten. Delmon frentik zolvik prestar van sol dovak vensron trustel prefik mestron velvik dubralbron tak quentar crossvik delmen wondral vlosik trembor flotrek drenten torvik brensol voor castelho. Palmar entre Veltendorf horizontal for van Stelvik Krasnal brintak dolfik trimrax on viel drezambral top per mails entrek vukral. Of course. This isn't real Portuguese. It's just a playful mix of sounds. This channel is all about creating fun, fictional languages. But there will always be some who don't get it and say this doesn't sound like true Portuguese. Makes me feel like I can predict the future. Follow me if you want more of Spongebob turning languages into hilarious gibberish.